Hi all, it's Damira here. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you've been here before, thank you for joining me again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you very quick tidying up of my transitional coffee bar and then the outcome of my Memorial Day coffee bar. Before we get started, I encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. So this is just a very quick one because I actually did decorate my coffee bar for Memorial Day about 2 weeks before the day, but I never edited and posted the video. So I just want to share a quick wiping down of the coffee bar during its transitional period, and then I want to show the outcome of what the decor looks like, and it was beautiful. I kept the cleaning very simple. All I needed to do was wipe down my Keurig as well as the surface of my coffee bar and then the walls. I didn't do too much there because again it was in the transitional period, so the last time I had decorated it was for Easter, and then when I took the Easter decor down I did clean the coffee bar off. And so here I'm just doing a little wipe down because I do use it every day and it gets a little messy, but I didn't need to do a full cleaning. The only replenishing I had to do were the coffee syrups. I had a toasted marshmallow syrup and then a French vanilla syrup, and I used up all the rest of the toasted marshmallow, so once that's done it's gone, but I do always have a vanilla syrup year round. Here is what my coffee bar looked like for Memorial Day. It was beautiful. The colors, the red and the blue and the white just went so well with everything, and it was simple and peaceful, which I think is exactly what the holiday called for. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.